Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Marcio, and I'll present the UNEXUP project. For those who are familiar with the UNEXMIN project, funded by Horizon 2020, the UNEXUP is a direct continuation of it, funded by EIT Raw Materials. In UNEXMIN, from 2016 to 2019, the objective was to develop and test a robotic technology to perform geoscientific exploration missions in underwater environments, and in UNEXUP, the objective is to improve it based on the experience and lessons learned, and to commercialize it as an exploration service. UNEXUP will comprise two robots, the UX1 Neo, built in 2020, and the UX2, which will be built towards the end of 2021. And UX1 Neo, as you can see in the center of the slide, is the upscaling version of the former UX1, built in UNEXMIN project. They share the same dimensions and functionalities, and this robot is equipped with navigational and geoscientific instruments and sensors that allow it to collect valuable spatial and geoscientific data from underwater environments, such as flooded mines. The UX2 will be a more complex robot with higher technology readiness level, and it will be able to navigate in depths up to 1500 meters. It will also have a rock sampling unit supported by a robotic arm, therefore it will be able to address even more challenging missions. And the company and partner UNEXMIN Georobotics is the responsible for the commercialization of the technology and the organization of the field missions in UNEXUP. And you can see their contact details on the right part of the slide. So if you want to benefit from this technology and having the robots in your mine or other structure that can be applied to, you can be involved in the project. So feel free to get in contact. Thank you very much.